Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A80s and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's tap on the night light, so the second option, and first of all we have to turn it on now, so we can see the changes, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light, and what's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can also change the intensity of that feature by using this switcher. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. You can also schedule it. So the none option is the manual option. You can turn it on at custom time, which means that you can freely choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the night light accordingly. Or you can choose to turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, so it's up to you. And if you'd like to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and let's find the night light toggle, which is right here. So let's simply tap on it. It will be immediately applied, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.